I'm going to do a little early morning walk around. The sunflowers are just starting to open up. We can't wait for all of them to be open and just this whole row is just going to explode in their color. And the ones that have come up volunteer, well, we just leave them alone. Onions are pretty much done for the year. The red onions we planted have sent up scapes and they're seeding. And cilantro's doing the same thing. And we're going to harvest a lot of these seeds from this parsley. Now the new parsley that I planted from seed is still coming on strong. This is just about done producing leaf, but we're going to plant from seed again, and I'm going to try to harvest some of these onion seed and just do a little broadcast short row and see what they do. Never planted onion from seed and had any luck with them. Broccoli is ready to harvest. That is one huge, that's about 9 inches across, that one head, and we have lots of them, so it's right now is the time to plant and get it into the freezer. And there are several of them, so when we cut this pack, man, we'll get bonus shoots that'll come up. They won't be as big as the main heads, but they will keep producing. And we've had a little bit of a bug problem on the leaves, but I don't spray. We just kind of let them weather the storm, and they looks like they're none the worse for the wear. So yeah, it's broccoli cutting season today. And Kim was out here and said she found a red tomato, so I'm gonna come down here and see if I can see which one she was talking about. Oh, okay, yeah, right there in that little cluster, right in there. So it's on with the tomatoes. Once they start ripening, they just don't stop. These flowers are coming along really well. And these will get tall enough to where I can just look out on my shop window and see them bloom. Hummingbirds like this variety. And it's always it's a nice show to watch. And we've already started eating some peppers off these plants. And the beans are still going strong. We have blooms everywhere. And if I look close enough, I'll probably find a couple of young bean pods. Yeah, right there's one. Not big enough to pick. But it's all going to start coming on pretty heavily. So yeah, we're going to post this little update for you guys on YouTube, and then we're going to get to cutting broccoli. I'll show you a picture of it all. Alright, that's not a bad first harvest of broccoli. And as I said, you can see my hand here with this head is huge. But yeah, we're going to get this cut up a little bit and into the freezer. This stuff freezes wonderfully. And well, we may just have some fresh broccoli tonight for whatever else we're having for supper. This may accompany it. So that's it. That's Broccoli Harvest 2020. Enjoy the day, guys.